Hey, it's Gary here, back at the Scar 3D shop. How are you? Hey, I just want to show you some of the product we've been working on. I know you've seen some of the other videos. We have quite a bit of stuff, and I just want to give you a quick little tour of what's going on and what we're going to have at some of the pop-up markets and shows we're doing. So, some of the things we've been loving are the engraved cheese boards. So we do those for many different sayings, like as here. We can do almost like any state. There's always something available, something I can make up myself. Here we go. You're going to know we're Clevelanders. There's a nice little cheese charcuterie board. Who doesn't need the bottle opener for brew day? I know I do. So I did this. I took this picture with my drone. This is the front of my house. I took the picture with the drone, engraved it, made the frame, painted it, and these are like some realtors buy these from me for closing gifts for their clients, or just people want them for their own house. We've been doing a good amount of tumblers. Like this is for a client right here. You see that one? Then we get a bunch of Ohio stuff, and again, we can do any state. Here's a cool Ohio State one. Pretty sweet. And then we do all these articulating animals. You can kind of see them from there. You see we're full of keychains. We do all kinds of reptiles, just kind of fun skeletons. We get a little lobster guy right here. Then we get these are some of my favorites right here. Here's actually like one of the favorite colors. Look at this thing. Like, and what's cool? Everybody uses these, so people buy these for like fidget toys. Just kind of you're at your desk, just something to do, and they're actually like really cool looking. So we have those in like tons of colors. Here's some of the cool colors right here. Like that's a cool one. I don't need to show you them all. The video will take too long. This is one of my favorite prints right here. And this is the design guy from this is Flexi Factory. This is a manta ray. I have these in like, I think 3 different sizes, but look at the articulation in that thing. I know I did a video on a real big one, but like this one here is my favorite. Look at that. These sharks, again, look at the articulation in that. It's amazing how people can design and the 3D printers print. That prints all locked together. It's amazing. Actually, on this one, prints the body, then it prints the head, and the head snaps in. And this one here, the designer on this is Matt Meyer Makes. He does incredible work. Another fun one, Flexi Factory, Flying Pig, cool. These ones here, Flexi Factory, little dogs. So actually, I'm sorry, this is Matt Meyer. So these are printed with the short tail, and then we have one with the long tail. Very cool. Perfect gifts. We like the reptiles. Platypus, very cool. Lots of frogs. These are Matt Meyer's frogs also. He does a great job in his stuff. Let's see. Here's some cool ones. Snakes. Look at the articulation in this. It's incredible. And talk about a fidget toy. Just kind of sitting at your desk. They're awesome. Then I get right here, if you can see that, and I'll show it up closer, but the T-Rex. Look at this thing. Is that awesome or what? Look at that. And that's another one from Flexi Factory. That guy's a great designer. Same. Look at that. Awesomeness. And I get an alligator to show you. Look at this. Skeleton alligator. Crocodile, sorry. Very cool. Look at the colors and look at, again, the articulation on it. It's incredible. And then, so that's kind of sums up here. We get these for craft bowls. Like these are yarn bowls for crocheting or knitting. So the yarn can come out the front or the back. Another yarn bowl right there. And then we did some unicorns. Very cool. Love this color. And then this is like a bunch of the stuff we've been doing just to try and, so we sell a lot of this stuff as like bags or just like gift bags for parties and stuff like that. So this is a whole bunch of ducks that just came off. Watch. Look how cool these are. Very cool. And I get right here, whole basket, whoops, sorry, whole basket full of piñatas. Bunch of different sizes and colors with these small ones. Then on this bin, this is the sea creatures. Check that out. I don't have to go through the whole thing, but look, there's dolphins, more dolphins, sea turtles. Look at that sea turtle. Look at that. Sweet. Look at that color. A bunch of mammals in here. More like the baby mammals. Pretty cool. Nice. What one's here? Reptiles. Little baby alligators. Little baby geckos. More baby alligators. Little baby frogs. Then we like to do these too. These are from Matt Meyer Makes, so he's the maker again on this. See all these? These are all refrigerator magnets. Shark head. So this one, the magnet I have embedded on the inside, so there's no magnet to scratch anything. And these are some of the original ones that put the magnet on the outside. You can kind of see that. But we have a ton of these to sell at shows or just even online. I'm going to try and get most of the stuff online within the next couple weeks. I'm off all next week, so it may be like 3 weeks from now. All this will be online. And then we have, you know, I was doing good on this video and I just fucked up. I don't understand. There was something else I was going to show you, but I fucked up. So I guess that's it. I mean, I can do anything custom. I can do, you send me a file, I can print it, I can engrave it. I put orders out very, very quick. I have a lot of my own design stuff to sell to help with laser engraving or, mainly doing tumblers and holding material down to the beds. And we're just going to keep filling up product and putting stuff out there. So it'd be great if you can follow us on our YouTube page. And then look at our Etsy page. So it's ska3dshop.etsy.com. And we're going to put as much as we can on there. Thank you.